human beings can hear in the range from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. There are animals who can go way beyond 20 kilohertz. And to be nice to you for the first time, this first lecture, I would like to test your hearing, and that will be free of charge. I'm not so much interested in knowing what your lowest frequency is, but what your highest frequency is. So I'm going to generate here sound. I will start with 100 hertz, and then we'll go up higher and higher, and then we'll see where your hearing stops. So let's start with 100 hertz. I'm not going to ask you who can hear it, because clearly all of you can. Let's now go to a kilohertz, 1000 hertz. Piece of cake, right? No problem. I have to change now my scale. 4000. I'm not saying that this was going to be a pleasant test. 10. 5000. Here's where the violins come in. 6000. Anyone in my audience who cannot hear 6000? 7000. So anyone in my audience who cannot hear 7000? I cannot hear 7000. I hear nothing. With age, you lose ability to hear high frequencies. And you will experience that in your lifetime. You won't escape that. Now, of course, some people lose more than others, but I cannot hear above 6000 hertz. I hear nothing. Okay, 10,000. 12,000. 14,000. Now I want to see hands if you cannot hear it any longer. Who cannot hear 14,000? Don't be ashamed of it, it's not your fault. 14,000. All right, we're slowly going up. 15,000. Who cannot hear it? Raise your hands. Ah, Professor Marval, voila! You're also getting old, nurses. 16,000. Who cannot hear 16,000? Of course, the ones who have already raised their hands, you don't have to raise your hands again. Who cannot 16,000? Who cannot? 17,000. 18,000. Okay, so now we're going to change it. Now I want you to raise your hands if you can hear it. And so I first now go to 20,000. 19,000. I'm going to 19,000. Oh, sorry. I was only off by a factor of 10. 19,000. Who can hear it? Fantastic. 20,000. 21. Ah, you see how the cutoff is very sharp. 22. Very good. 22. 23. 25. 27. Some of you have amazing ears because I already turned it off at 21,000.